Hi, I'm Cindi McGee and you're watching Polymer Clay TV. I'm calling today's veneer Earthy Layers because it has a bit of an organic feel. I'm going to be honest with you, today's veneer does not even remotely look like the picture that inspired it, so I'm not going to share that. But I do think that this finished veneer has a very earthy effect. It's almost a bit like bark. I think it could be adapted easily and could be great for sort of rustic or organic type pieces. The base layer is Cowboy Sculpey Soufflé rolled to a setting number 4 on the clay machine. For the top layers, I'm just using various shades of tan and khaki and brown, and I just rolled those with a clay roller to about a 1/4 inch thick. To add texture to these thicker pieces of different colors of clay, I'm using a kitchen sponge, a flat kitchen sponge, and it kind of gives almost a suede feel to those pieces of clay. Then I used my clay blade to carefully slice away small areas from each of those pieces of textured clay, and I began to layer them onto the brown sheet. I let some of them overlap others and just continued until the entire sheet was covered. As I sliced away all the texture, I just used the sponge to texture again. To add some more shades of color a bit and some more detail, I'm using pigment powders from Create Along. I'm using the metal oxides and copper patina sets. These are not sparkly or shimmery, they're matte powders. I used my fingertip to apply a little bit of the shades of green and the different brown and rust shades just randomly on the surface. So now the entire base sheet is covered, but it's flatter than I wanted. I wanted more dimension, so I decided to try something to give it a little more of a raw edge to those pieces. I used my silicone tipped tool, I used my fingernail a bit, and I used the edge of the clay blade to raise up some of those edges from the individual pieces and just fold them backwards a bit. It's a very organic, unorganized effect. Here's a closer look at that finished sheet after it's been colored with those pigment powders and the edges have sort of been folded back and folded upwards, etc. The finished veneer is ready to be used on a polymer trading coin or a fairy house or a gnome home or another piece that you want a very organic effect. Need more inspiration? We invite you to join our Polymer Clay Tribe Facebook page. Over 16,000 members sharing inspiring projects every day. For lots more creative polymer clay ideas, visit the Polymer Clay TV blog.